Can I don't turn off the light? I'm recording.
Cause he is the truth. Said he is so real. And I love the way that he makes me feel. And if I'm a reflection of him, then I must be fly. Because his light shines so bright. I don't lie. I remember the very first day that I saw him. I found myself immediately intrigued by him. It's almost like I knew this man from another life. Like back when maybe I was his husband, maybe he was my wife. And here things I don't like about him are fine with me. And it's not hard to understand him, cause he's so much like me. And it's truly my pleasure to share his company. And I know that it's God's gift to breathe the air he breathes. Cause he is the truth, say he is so real. And I love the way that he makes me feel. And if I am a reflection of him, then I must be fly. Because it shines so bright, I wouldn't lie. How can the same man that makes me so mad turn right around and kiss me so soft?
You like that?
If he ever left me, I wouldn't even be sad, no. Cause there's a blessing in every lesson, and I'm glad that I know him at all. Cause he is the truth, said he is so real. And I love the way that he makes me feel. And if I'm a reflection of him, then I must be fly. Because it shines so bright. No, I love the way he speaks. I love the way he thinks. I love the way that he treats his mama. I love that gap in between his teeth. I love him in every way that a woman can love a man. From personal to universal, but most of all, it's unconditional.
That's a real love, man. Oh, Mary J. Blige was talking about.
When you feel there ain't no substitute for the truth. Either it is or it isn't. See the truth and need no proof. Either it is or it isn't. You know the truth by the way you feel. No. And if I'm a reflection of him, then I must be fly. Because he is, yes he is. I wonder does he know